Hi guys, this is Karthik. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to describe about Maruti Suzuki Swift 2017 model petrol variant. It's all about interior designing. Right now you can see an AC vent here, 1 followed by 2, 3 and 4 AC vents. This is actually a mid-range model. In case of top end, you will be having a rear vent AC too over there. I mean there. Okay. Yeah, actually here in mid-range you will be getting tilt steering. See, so you can adjust your steering. So it's a tilt mode steering. Then here you can see your fog functions. I mean, this is your fog lamp, and this is nothing but your capacity. Actually, if the car is loaded with 2 persons, then you can set this as 2. In case of 4 person, you can set this as 4. This is what fog operations. So most probably I'll be going with 2 people, so I'm setting here as 2. In driver panel you can see the following options. This is actually power windows operation, and this is nothing but if you press this knob, if you press this knob, like your 4 side power window will get controlled only by you, so that people in case of kids or someone else, if they were with you, they can control the power windows. And this is overall lock. See, open, lock, open. So this is your lock function, and you have electronic adjustable side mirrors, this button actually, and you can adjust your mirror accordingly, like up, down. Can you see that? Okay, fine. Now here you have Nippon player, which is a default player in almost every Maruti. And here you have AC operation. This is your temperature and fan speed. I think most of the people, they had confused with these things actually. This is actually the coolest temperature and this is the hottest temperature. And if you press this knob, actually only your interior thing, I mean the interior compact of your car will get cooled, not the outside here. In case of hot temperatures, you can use this interior operation. And this is your AC switch. So if you press these 2 switches, only your interior surroundings will get cooled and not about the exterior. And here you can see this. Actually this is normally only for face the AC vent will be working. Here for your legs, I mean down there, legs as well as face, you'll be getting the AC. And this is only for leg. And this, in case of, actually people, they are getting confused with these 2 things. Let me explain. Like in case if you are riding in a rainy season or something else, your glasses actually will get completely filled with fog. So in that case, you can turn this to hot function and this to this function. So, and you have to simultaneously switch on to 3 or 4 and followed by these 2 things. So if you operate this, the entire fog will get removed automatically inside your car, so that you could be able to drive your car properly. And this is what your parking light, and you have a utility box over here. I had kept my documents as well as a cloth for wiping. And you have a beverage holder. If you are using Pepsi or Coke tin, you can just hold it over here, and followed by a vent. In 4 doors you have power window adjustable controls. See, wait a second. Sorry, I locked. And you have a interior lamp inside the car, and each of your seats can be adjusted accordingly, like with the help of this knob. Simultaneously, like in this seat also you can find that knob over there. Okay, see, by pressing this, see, now it is closed actually, and you can increase and decrease according to your height. And this is your handbrake. Now you can see the indicator and front lamp functions. This is single dim, and this is front lamp. And if you push downwards, actually it is high beam. And if you want to turn the flasher on, double press, and this is your indicator function, and right towards down, followed by the second indicator. Yeah, now you can see the following functions. While starting the car, before starting the car, I had switched on the handbrake, as well as here this is nothing but you have to put on your seat belt. And initially while starting the car, your battery will be displayed like this icon. In case if you want to carry a heavy amount of luggage inside your car, then you can adjust your back seats like pulling this knob, and you can adjust this simultaneously this seat too. Now you can have a big amount of space by pushing lot amount of luggages, and you have a pretty big boot space too. This is what your wiper function. In case of mist, you can turn mist, and in case of high and low rain, you can use this high, low and intermediate options. I hope this video has given you almost enough information about the interior design of the Maruti Suzuki Swift. Thank you for watching. Do share and subscribe.